get that itch to test and run your foams. And it's to rain for the next 2 weeks. Stupidity sets in, along with some serious skill. Wow. Yeah, don't go into the wet, that'll do me. She's going alright. She is going alright there in that dry. Confidence definitely building using these new foams. Car straight as an arrow down a bit of road, what, 1.5 meters wide, with no incidents apart from during braking. Oh, what did we get there? What did we get?
Some piece of kit you've got there. Wow. Big Austin would love that.
100, what was 127 in the wet? 127 mile an hour. Needless to say, I think I have these foams down to a T now, so I do. Because running in the wet as well. Now obviously when I hit the brakes it went across and went onto the dump bit, but I'm happy with that. Definitely improving, So on that note, my heart's in my mouth after that, like. Unfortunately, recently security stopped with me to the factory and have advised me that I may be asked to move on in the future, so a new spot required. Possible location for a new run. Looks good, hard shoulder, running down one side, and there's no cambers, the road is totally flat, so watch this space.